The biggest confusion which people have when they're setting up a company in Dubai is whether they should set up a company in the mainland area in Dubai or in the free zone area in Dubai. And in this video, I would be talking about the 5 major differences and the taxation difference as well between a free zone company and the mainland company. And by the end of this video, you would be 100% clear in your mind as to whether a free zone company is more suited for you or a mainland company is more suited for you. In fact, I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 13 years now, and let me tell you that most people get this wrong and regret this later, as shifting a company from the mainland area to the free zone area and vice versa at a later stage is not possible. And therefore, it is highly advisable that you do proper research and consider all these 5 factors which I will be talking about in this video before setting up a company in Dubai. The most important factor which determines whether you should set up a company in the mainland area or in the free zone area in Dubai is the location of your customers. If you're receiving payments from outside the UAE, then it does not matter whether you have a free zone company or a mainland company, as both the free zone company as well as the mainland company can deal with international customers. However, if you're receiving payments from within the UAE, it does make a lot of difference as to whether your company is located in the mainland area or in the free zone area. All mainland companies are allowed to receive payments and can deal locally within the UAE, but there are certain restrictions on a free zone company to deal with mainland area. If you're dealing in B2B transactions, that is, the person who is making you the payment is also a registered business owner, then both a mainland company and a free zone company can deal with such customers. However, if you're dealing in B2C transactions, that is, the person from whom you are receiving the payment for the goods sold or the services provided is not a registered business owner, then you are not allowed to receive such payments in case of a free zone company. But a mainland company can receive such payments. Another major difference between a mainland company and a free zone company is the ownership structure. Before 2021, a foreigner could not have 100% ownership in the mainland company, and the foreigner could only hold 49% in the mainland company, while the rest was held by a local UAE national. However, this law changed in 2021, and now foreigners can also hold 100% in the mainland company for certain specified activities. However, it is important to note that this 100% foreign ownership in mainland company is only allowed for a specified list of activities and not for all the activities. So, if the business activity which you intend to do is not in the specified list of activities, then you cannot hold 100% stake in the mainland company, and a free zone company is more advisable in this case, as foreigners can hold 100% in such type of a company. The next important point to consider is the type of business which a person intends to do. If you intend to deal with the government and apply for tenders, then a mainland company is more advisable, as the government has a certain preference to deal with mainland companies. In fact, it is advisable to have the mainland company in the same emirate in which you are applying for tender. Say for example, you are applying for a tender with the Sharjah government, then having a mainland company in the Sharjah area would be more advisable than having a company in the mainland area in Dubai. Another important factor to consider is the cost of setting up the company. The cost of company setup varies from free zone to free zone. There would be some free zones which would be cheaper than the mainland area, while there would be some free zones which would be more expensive than the mainland area. So, if you're just starting up and want to save on some cost, you may choose a free zone where the cost of setup is less than the cost of setting up a company in the mainland area. And the 5th most important factor to consider here is the tax rates. There is a 9% corporate tax on the companies registered in the mainland area, but the profits of a company doing a specified type of business in specified certain free zones is entirely exempt. The fact that the profits of a free zone company are completely exempted from the levy of corporate tax also makes it a go-to destination for all business owners. By default, most business owners prefer to set up a company in the free zone area as there are tax benefits for a free zone company, and it is much easier to start and run a business from a free zone area as compared to the mainland area. And when I say this, I'm not only talking about and taking into account the corporate tax laws, I'm also talking about the VAT laws, the custom laws, as well as other business laws. However, in case the free zone company does not solve your business objective, then the business owners are left with no other option but to set up a company in the mainland area. I hope you found this video useful. I'm planning to create more such informative videos on company setup in Dubai and how you can set up tax-free structures in Dubai. So do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't make the same mistakes which other people are making. And if you're planning to set up a company in Dubai and would like to understand the cost of setting up a company in Dubai, do check out this video right here. And if you need some assistance in setting up a company in Dubai, feel free to reach out to me through the link given in the description below.